Using Docker containers means that you can abstract away the software, operating system, and hardware configuration from your application and have a standard building block that you can run anywhere. But when you start deploying lots of these containers for lots of applications, managing all of these container clusters starts to get complicated pretty fast. Wouldn't it be nice if you could just focus on building containerized applications and not have to worry about installing and maintaining container orchestration software or managing the underlying infrastructure required to run your containers? Introducing Amazon Elastic Container Service. Amazon Elastic Container Service is a highly scalable, high-performance container management service that allows you to run and manage modern distributed applications. Elastic Container Service allows you to schedule, launch, and run Docker containers without having to manage the underlying infrastructure using simple, native AWS APIs. You can build and package applications into containers with Docker, and then seamlessly deploy the applications into production using Elastic Container Service. Elastic Container Service uses Fargate technology to manage the underlying compute infrastructure needed to run your containers, so you no longer have to provision and scale server clusters or patch and update each server. Elastic Container Service maintains the desired state of your long-running services and scales containers based on demand. Elastic Container Service lets you easily build all types of containerized applications, from long-running applications and microservices to batch jobs and machine learning applications. For example, you might have a web app that runs all the time and an image processing worker that processes intermittent tasks. Elastic Container Service can orchestrate and run these together. Elastic Container Service also monitors your running containers and tells you how many resources are being used by each application. Elastic Container Service allows you to quickly deploy, update, and roll back containers, regardless of whether you're dealing with tens or tens of thousands of containers, making it easy to run all the different tasks that make up your application, such as web servers, queues, databases, API backends, and background workers. You can access Elastic Container Service from the AWS Management Console or through the AWS SDKs. With Elastic Container Service, you have a fully managed container orchestration service to easily deploy, manage, and scale applications on AWS. And, best of all, you just pay for the EC2 or Fargate consumption and any other AWS resources used. There is no additional charge for using Elastic Container Service. Get started deploying containers on Amazon Elastic Container Service with a few clicks in the AWS Management Console.